This late model year Acura MDX is an award-winning vehicle. Not only does it provide best-in-class fuel economy and standard features, but it's also the first vehicle to provide a 5-star crash test safety rating across the entire manufacturer. So the signature automatic dual eye LED headlights will illuminate the path. I also like the 19-inch premium alloy wheels. It also features new tires as well. You've got smart entry for all 4 doors, and something else neat, you do have a reverse camera with 3 modes, a power tailgate, and this MDX is also featuring our super handling all-wheel drive system. The Basque Red Pearl exterior color is complemented nicely with the interior parchment leather. And speaking of the interior, you'll even like our exclusive one-touch operation for our rear seats. Press this button, the seat will recline and slide automatically. The flat floor makes it easy for adults to sit in the center, and up front you'll even see it's featuring our dual screen display. So the top operates the navigation and audio and Bluetooth, while the bottom features the climate and some other audio functions as well. Speaking of climate, you have a 3-zone climate control, 2 up front and 1 at the back, plus both seats are heated and they're even electronically operated, plus the driver's features memory operation. The leather-wrapped multifunctional steering wheel features voice command for audio and other instruments. You've got Bluetooth, cruise control, and paddle shifters as well. There's an automatic dimming rear view mirror, plus HomeLink will automatically have your garage door opener programmed, and you even have the convenience of AcuraLink, plus my favorite feature, the sunroof. Some other elements I didn't mention from the Pure Cars report: it is a V6 engine. It also features blind spot information system, lane departure warning, a forward collision warning system as well, and it's all operated with a push button start. Make sure to check this vehicle out at $28,888. It surely is a fine deal. It's got about $500 worth of total added value thanks to it being certified. 19334 is the stock number in this vehicle. Make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel so you can get the latest product information, or you can follow me on Facebook and Instagram so you can get the newest social media feeds.